welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the crazy severe weather that we're going to be getting, and we will also be talking about some fires that are happening right now as well. And they're not very good fires either. And we will be going through this. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. And hopefully I'll get some information for this if y'all live in Georgia, or really anywhere in the United States with this video. And today we're going to be hopping into the Storm Prediction Center, and my goodness gracious, that's a lot of red. We're gonna be having a lot of fire risk days. All of them are critical. Which is not good, obviously. We also have a severe thunderstorm watch possible. I mean, it's unlikely, but still in the range here. Okay, we're going to be looking through the risk here. Okay, we have a pretty, marginal risk up north. Nothing to be really worried about. Maybe some isolated hail, but that's kind of already passed. For Friday, we have a... this is Thursday. This is for Thursday. For Thursday, April 23rd, we have a little bit of a larger risk for marginal, and then we also have a slight risk, which we'll be looking at for the HRRR models, or the the short-term models. We'll be looking at more of the yellow here, and we'll be trying to figure out if we will have, super severe storms, where we're going to have to be watching out for impact. We're also going to be having another severe outlook for Friday, and this is going to be pushed down south into Texas, in Oklahoma. We'll be watching this one. We'll also be watching Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for the next, this is a lot of days. This is another crazy outbreak that we're having going into late April. And yeah, I guess we should start showcasing the HRRR models. And honestly, as of right now, it's nothing crazy. I mean, I've seen a lot worse. I've seen some pretty crazy stuff, but this is probably gonna be pretty light. Nothing crazy. You got some scattered showers here, but Texas has also been going through a lot of stuff, so we'll be looking at that as well. Let's look at the risk for today, which was in this area over here. It kind of seems like the risk is over. I'm seeing like a flooding risk. Now that fire risk should be going down for up north. Jeez. Okay, so let's see this here. Okay, so this is today, going into later in the day into tomorrow. And we start to get some scattered thunderstorms either around 12 to 3 p.m. The storms really start to enhance closer to 6 p.m. Actually, I'm going to zoom in here because this is not going to be able to very good watch if y'all can't see anything. And these storms really start to become isolated around 3 to 4, or between there. The storms start to become even stronger. There's some more scattered showers more ahead of this, I should say. So we'll definitely be watching out for any crazy pop-ups like this one right here. And it starts to slowly but surely kind of turn into a line here, and all of a sudden we have a spike that goes down south. We have a hail risk in this now. We might have some isolated, stronger cells inside of this line here. And then it starts to already kind of break up. This should be a pretty short-lived, line here. It starts to become very disorganized. But there is a flooding risk for Michigan, which still, I'm pretty sure, is continuing, which is freaking crazy. I might be wrong, though. No, they still got their flood up there, so that's definitely not good. They'll probably be getting another wave of rain. Hopefully it's not as crazy. Hopefully it's just a little bit of rain, nothing more than that. We will be looking if this pushes with the cold front, which I'm sure it does. Let's see here. Yep, it sure does. It's a pretty good cold front, too. You can see the pretty distinct line over here. Now you see the secondary cold front behind this one. So the storm's main cold front, so we'll definitely be seeing this. But then it immediately starts to warm back up, so nothing too crazy. But this is April, so to be expected. Let's look down south. The central United States, or I guess south central U.S. Let's look at the reflectivity here. Okay, so we got some isolated showers for down southeast Texas, which has already passed. This was earlier today. I actually saw a couple of these storms. Yeah, we still have some isolated showers through Louisiana and parts of Texas throughout early morning hours of Thursday into Friday. Friday is where things really start to pick up for the more southern central U.S. So we'll be watching out for this. As of right now, nothing too crazy. Today we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. But other than that, nothing wild. Let's actually go to weather-wise and see if there's anything out as of right now. Yeah, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in this is not South Dakota. This might be South Dakota. Hold on. In South Dakota. Okay, yeah, so in South Dakota, we have a 1-inch hail radar indicated 60 miles an hour, so severe thunderstorm warning. This one is kind of a line. I mean, I wouldn't really call this much of a line, but there is some pretty strong winds recorded in here about an hour ago. About a NWS worker. Wow, I really messed that one up. We're getting some reports from that. Yeah, we will definitely be seeing this. Nothing really to worry about though. Pretty weak winds for this storm. Yeah, I'm not really seeing too much here, so that's a good sign. Nothing to be worried about. Let's go down south here. We had a few hail reports and strong wind reports. We had one around here 3 hours ago, which was pretty accurate. Emergency manager reported large hail with at least 14 power poles down and over the area, so pretty strong thunderstorm right there. Hail around 3 hours ago. It's pretty strong hail. We have some pop-up storms near San Antonio. Hope these aren't fires. No, these are storms. Okay. Gotta make sure because we're having some crazy fire activity going on lately. Luckily, there's not, a crazy amount of fires in this, risk areas, mainly down south. Freaking Minnesota is just not having any good luck. I mean, my goodness gracious, they have fires left and right, which is crazy. And we have this weird line of fires, which I feel like this is kind of planned by somebody because no fires line up like that. It's kind of weird. This is kind of more understandable, but this is kind of weird. I mean, even this little thing of fires right here, I mean, this is also kind of weird. Photoshop. Yeah. I want to see it. Okay. Oh, that's the name of the fire. Oh, what the heck? That's a weird name for a fire. But yeah, I guess there's just a lot of small fires there, I guess. It's probably just a normal thing then. Crazy. Just really freaking weird. I mean, just really weird fire incidents up north. Freaking Minnesota, I swear. Every time I look at Minnesota, they have a fire somewhere, and it's actually kind of sad. No, I mean, no offense against the firefighters. Like, they're doing a great job up there. Oh, yeah, that's right. How did I forget about this app? I'm a freaking idiot. Okay, here we go. Jump to latest. My gosh, really? They have another one? Holy. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the fires in Georgia. Now, the fires in Georgia are actually pretty bad. I mean, they're surprisingly bad. Especially as of right now. I mean, jeez, Louise, man. Luckily, it's not going to be anywhere near a major city. Fruitland might get... Oh, wait. Oh, that's just a bay. Okay. Bamberg, Fruitland might be pretty much in the hot spot as of right now. This is a more in-depth of how close it's gotten. Alexis is about to be in this fire. It doesn't seem to have hit any homes, except these ones have two... Oh my gosh, they have two poles. So sorry. They are about to get hit by this fire. Hopefully not. Hopefully they get, not hit. Trevor... Wait, I don't even know. Fruitland should be in the clear for the most part. No, this is from a different fire. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. I mean, they're doing flybys for... No, they're doing actual freaking... Okay, cool. So yeah, they're actually doing pretty good. They have a bay right here, but I think it actually crossed this bay. Daily fire perimeter. Fire origin was here. I think this is flipped, actually. Hotspots. They have hotspots everywhere. I mean... Jeez, man. Got plow lines right here, which I don't think worked. Defense prep and hold here. Defense stay alone here. So, I mean, yeah, they're doing a pretty good job for this fire. I mean, you can see that they're doing pretty good. They don't have very many pictures of this fire, but it literally just started, like, yesterday. Maybe. Oh, never mind, it started 4 days ago. Huh. Okay, I think I've actually seen this fire then. Not in real life, but, like, in pictures and stuff. Yeah, the smoke of this fire, I'll actually show y'all on the satellite, which y'all probably saw in the preview of this video. I mean, the fire, like, the smoke of this fire is showing up crazy on radar. I mean, you can see it right here. I mean, we have a fire here, maybe a fire here, and a... Whoa, I messed that one up. And a fire here. There's 3 fires right here. Luckily, I'm pretty sure the bigger fire, the smoke is starting to die down, but that smaller fire is still cranking away. I mean, yeah, there's definitely still hot spots. I mean, it's just really hard to tell because, yeah, like, this is a big fire here. I mean, this one's already 5,000 acres. I mean, gosh dang. Like, this is getting a little out of hand here. It's weird. And it did cross the river here, okay. Okay, so I don't really think they've done too much with this one, picture-wise, which is fine. They need to focus on, putting out that fire. But it does seem to be going, for sure. Let's go to layers. Actually, I'm going to do with imagery. Turn this off. Yeah, I mean, there's still hot spots here. They're not everywhere. This one still has a hot spot here. So these fires are definitely still going, for sure. Sorry, I got distracted, my bad. Yeah, this is definitely turning out to be the problem for sure. I think this one might be slightly visible on here, but I don't think so. No, it's not. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? It's literally already in here. My gosh, dude. So yeah, the fire's actually increased. Like an hour or two ago. Okay, yeah. So this is the first images of the smoke. But I literally just witnessed this fire today. I just now realized the fire was even a thing. So this is kind of news to me. For Georgia, the smoke is everywhere. Like, I'm pretty sure the smoke is, yeah, it's literally affecting one, two. It's affecting 6 states. Maybe it's either 5 or 6 states. Luckily, it's not going too far. It's still going extremely far. It's probably like 500 miles across, but I mean, there's a lot of fires over here. Jeez, man. I just don't know. I mean, yeah, there's definitely hot spots for sure. Still, okay. Let's get back onto the weather here. We also have satellite imagery of this fire, with my app that I use here. You can see it actually right here still. Yeah, you can see it growing for sure. You can also see the other one right here. This one obviously you can see through radar. I got a small little rainstorm there. Let's look at the smoke for this one. I think the smoke shows it as well. Yeah, it does. Yes, I mean, that smoke is stinking everywhere. I mean, do we also have a fire down south, too? Well, we do. This fire's... wait, this is an older fire. Don't worry about what's going on in the background. Man. Yeah, we just got a lot of crazy activity down here right now. Man, I'm waiting for a perimeter that they need to put up still. I'm still waiting for that. Yeah. Cool. Smoke shadow fire? This is the biggest one they've had. Sorry, I'm getting distracted again. So yeah, these fires are definitely still spreading. And for sure. Yeah, there's smoke. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's definitely gone back up. They still have like all these weird smaller fires. I mean, obviously this wasn't, I mean, that one's out. This one's still going. This one's definitely still going. Man, it's just crazy to me. Like, what? But these are some aggressive fires that we still need to be watching. That'll probably be it for me, honestly. Stay safe out there. And, definitely be careful of the, smoke there. I wonder if they reported it. I don't think they have. No, they haven't, surprisingly. That's just so crazy to me. Like, these fires are just gone. I mean, even this little one up here. don't know. But these fires are definitely going and should definitely be watched if you're living anywhere near these fires. For sure. This is a pretty strong fire right here. This is a good example of what I was talking about. Okay, apparently not. What the heck? Yeah, I mean, it's still a strong fire. It's smaller for sure. Yeah, it's only 1,000 acres. I mean, it's one of these fires. I hate these fires so much. Oh, they actually just now got this fire. They saw it on this satellite. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, why was it so wide? Holy crap. Yeah, it was one heck of a fire for sure. It's just crawling away, dude. I wonder what this one looked like through layers. Yeah, it's definitely stronger. I mean, yeah, dude. That is just crazy to me. Even this fire was bigger too. Both of these fires were bigger, around the same time. Which is just crazy to me. But luckily this fire isn't as big, so that's good. It looks bigger, but it's really not. Because this one's thicker, this one's just long. Yeah, it's just crazy to me. But luckily, no fires over 100 bajillion freaking acres like every other fire we've had this freaking year. I mean, my goodness. No crazy fires. Which is good. No crazy fires. You can even see them in Mexico? Oh, that's surprising. Didn't know you could do that. Okay, sorry, I'm getting distracted again. Okay, so this fire is definitely spreading. It looks to be spreading to this city right here, but I don't really think there'd be anything you'd have to worry about because it's slowing down a lot. So, I mean, you got Homerville. I mean, they're fine. Dasher's probably gonna be fine. I mean, a lot of these areas are gonna be just fine. You know, maybe Bamberg or something might get hit, but I think the firefighters would probably do a pretty good job and protect them. So, there's probably nothing to worry about. Yeah, guys, I think that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And I will tune on. What? I'll tune in whenever I can. So I'll see y'all later.